Recently, many iPhone users have also encountered the problem of pink lines on the mobile phone screen. The reasons why pink lines on iPhone screen may be: iPhone dropped in a pool of liquid. iPhone was exposed to very hot or cold conditions for a long time. iPhone was exposed to significant quantities of radiation. Software error. Too much electrostatic discharge is created. Broken screen, or the connection of LCD is bad. In fact, the solution to this problem is similar to the solution to white lines on iPhone screen. Solution 1. Force restart iPhone. Quick press the volume up button, then quick press the volume down button. Then hold the power button around 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Solution 2. Update iOS system. Go to Settings and press General. Tap Software Update to check if there is an available update. If it is available, press the Download and Install button, and enter your passcode to confirm your update. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone. If above solutions do not work, you can try to reset your iPhone, but this method means resetting your iPhone to factory settings. Before adopting this way, do not forget to back up your data. Solution 4. Restore iPhone in recovery mode. First, hold the volume down button on iPhone, and connect iPhone to the computer and run iTunes. Then release the volume down home button when iTunes symbol appears on iPhone. After iTunes detects iPhone and shows a message as below, press on the Restore button to restore iPhone. Solution 5. Put iPhone into DFU mode. Restoring your phone to DFU mode can assist in the resolution of software issues by restoring it to an unaltered state. Here is the guideline how to put your iPhone into DFU mode. Solution 6. iOS Repair Tool. In some cases, system error will result in the green lines on iPhone screen. The easiest solution is Joyoshare UltFix. It is a professional iOS repair tool that can fix more than 150 iPhone issues without data loss, such as lines on the iPhone screen, iPhone stuck on white screen, iOS update failure issue, or more. It is a safe software to use on Windows and Mac. Solution 7. Apple Support. If above solutions not work, it is the hardware issue. Your iPhone screen got some damage. You need to contact Apple Support or official Apple Store to repair the screen.